I'm leaving Astwood Park. There's the sign. Where to go next? Should I go home or should I head on to another beach? Warwick Long Bay is not too far from here. Maybe some 15 minutes on foot or a little longer. Let's head there. Let's go walk to Warwick Long Bay. And while walking, I'm gonna call my Pit because it is already 7 a.m. I mean 7 p.m. here, 6 a.m. in the Philippines. So it's time to call Pit. I'm close now, maybe 5 more minutes. I'm not sure if this is going into Warwick Long Bay, but when I checked Google Maps, not yet. Still, I'm gonna check where this will lead because I'm that kind of person. And yes, it leads to Warwick Long Bay Park. So I've been here before, so I'm familiar with this area. This is the end of Warwick Long Bay. Warwick Long Bay is long. I won't be able to get a shot of the sign because the sign is over there and I went through a different way. But anyway, we're going to the beach. Warwick Long Bay Park has many parking areas. This is one of those, but not the most popular one. As you can see, there are no cars today. Let's head to the beach. Hello there, chickens. Just wanted to say hi. Bye. I can't go to the beach from here because it's just so steep, but I just want to show you the view from here. Now let's go to that trail leading into the beach. There's the main road. Just get inside this fenced area and find this trail leading towards the Warwick Long Bay. There are many entrances leading to the Warwick Long Bay, but this is the one that I am most familiar with, and so I'm taking this route. I'll walk from this side to the end of Warwick Long Bay because I haven't done that before. When I came here the first time, I just, stayed in this area, looked at the view, but this time I'm gonna walk towards the end. But first, I want to show you why they say that the beaches on the South Shore are pink. Well, no, it's not really pink. There are just pink shreds of corals that mix in the usual sand, and so it gives the effect that the sand is pink, but really only like sunset time. I think like earlier when I showed you that clip, it looked a bit pinkish, right? Because it also has the effect of the sunset. So there. I'll stay here for a bit before I take that walk and just, you know, enjoy the view, enjoy the breeze. That's the end of Warwick Long Bay. Here I am, and this is where I'm going. There. It's gonna be a long walk. And I'm gonna walk along the shore close to the waters. I want to feel the waters on my feet. I will put down the phone now and just enjoy a relaxing walk along the beach. Warwick Long Bay is really long. So if you feel that the Horseshoe Bay just has too many people, especially during tourist season, cruise ship season, it might be worthwhile to go check out Warwick Long Bay. I'm so wet right now. I did not realize that I was so close to the water, and there, my shorts got soaked. But okay, I hope I still can get into the bus even with soaked shorts. I hope that the bus doesn't have so many passengers that I don't sit with anyone, so that they wouldn't notice that I have wet shorts. That's where I came from, and that is the more popular spot here in Warwick Long Bay. You can see people there. It's almost 8 p.m. The sun is almost down. I'm tired, but I want to go on and achieve that goal of going into the end of Warwick Long Bay. I must do it at least once, right? And this could be the one and only time. Well, hopefully not. I finally reached the end of Warwick Long Bay, and it's achievement unlocked. Super tired, but super proud of myself. There's the staircase going up, hopefully leading to the main road. Where else would it lead me? I found a bench. I'm gonna take a rest there for maybe just 5 minutes. View from the bench. Goodbye. This is the end of the vlog. I have to go now because I have to catch the bus. It's passing by in 15 or so minutes, and I still have to look for the bus stop close to Warwick Long Bay. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.